Hi everyone, welcome to Letstute's Financial Literacy Program. Our goal is to create financial literacy amongst people so that you don't end up somewhere you never wanted to be. Myself, Natasha. Today we will be discussing one of the very important topics of the finance subject, that is income. At the end of the video, we will test your knowledge and ask you a question. So stay with us throughout the video. You need income to manage your daily life and for your well-being. And so, if you have income, you need to manage your finances and thus be financially literate too to do so. Everyone has some or the other income. So, what is income? Income is the money received on sale of goods or provision of services. So, either you have received money on sale of some products or on providing services like a teacher or doctor or postman or also a watchman does. They provide us services for which they receive money, which is their income. Income plays an important role in our lives. It takes care of all our expenses and needs. You can earn income in various ways. Salary received when we work under an employer, like a teacher receives salary. Business income earned out of operating of own business. Gains on sale of property, rental income, bank interest, income on investments, etc. So is pocket money your income? The money that your parents give you on a monthly basis or quarterly basis to incur your expenses, is that pocket money your income? Have you provided any services in return of which you have received this pocket money? No. Pocket money received by you is a gesture of love and care by your parents, so that you can take care of yourself in case of emergency or general needs. That is not your income. What about the money a homemaker receives on a monthly basis to take care of the household expenses? Is that income? Has she received that in return of her services? Or rather, she receives an amount on a monthly basis so that she can run the house efficiently. That is also not her income. Okay, suppose my employer sends me on a business trip and there I had to incur food and hotel expenses. On my return, I submit the bills of the money that I have spent on the trip and my boss returns me the money back. Is this my income? No. Such money received is known as reimbursement. I have not earned any money here. I have only been paid back whatever I had spent. So in simple terms, first I removed the money from my own pocket to incur the expenses. And then my employer gave me back that money which I put back in that same pocket of mine. So it is important to understand what is your income, as once you know your income, you will be better able to plan out your expenses and savings. Also, tax is payable on income, so you need to identify your income components correctly. So we hope that you have understood our topic today. Your question for today is that you have to tell us one source of your income. Kindly write your answers in the comment box. So that's all for today. Hope you like the information that we have given you in the video. Do like the video and kindly subscribe to our channel and stay tuned for more such informative videos.